Children, welcome back to your VVPSE learning class. Children, as you all know that yesterday I have completed half of the explanation of the Tiger Trick 1 chapter of your reader. Today I am going to complete all the explanation of the rest of the part of the same chapter, children. So go through the whole chapter, and if you feel any problem you can ask me in the class group or personally also, children. And when you read it one more time, the story is more clear to you, and you also learn the moral thought given in the story, children. So you have to read the chapter properly, and after that you have to find out the hard words of that chapter. Is about a villager and a lion. I have tell you in the yesterday class also. So story is very interesting. It is given that if you help anyone, always you God will help you. You never caught in a another trap. So be ready to help others. Okay, children. So, and you have to go through the chapter, and after that you have to learn it also properly and read it. That's why your reading skill will be improved. Okay, children. And let's begin with the rest of the part of the same chapter, children. Good morning, children. As you all know that yesterday I have completed up to this the Tiger Trick 1 story of lesson 6. Today I am going to explain with the next page. Then the disappointed villager went further till he saw a buffalo turning a well. Then the disappointed villager went further till he saw a buffalo turning a well wheel. Then the disappointed, now villager is very disappointed through the people tree. So he moved on to a buffalo turning to a well wheel. Okay, but he fared no better. Means the buffalo is also not in support of, for it answered, "You are a fool to expect thankfulness." He is saying to the tiger, sorry, to the villager that you are fool. You are a fool. Why you take him out of the trap to expect thankfulness? Look at me. When I was able to give milk, means he is giving his example, the buffalo, that when I was able to give the milk, they fed me green grass and oil cakes. But now that I cannot give milk, they make me work here and give me garbage to eat. Means he is giving, the buffalo is giving his example that now when I give the milk, they fed me green grass. They give me to green grass to eat. But when I not give the milk, they make me to work here and there and give garbage to eat. The villager, more disappointed now, asks the red hen to give him its opinion. Now the red hen is the third who tell the villager the more disappointment. Now asks the, he is giving, red hen is giving its opinion that, "My dear sir," said the red hen, "how foolish you are to expect anything else." Means he's now red hen is also saying that, "My dear sir, how foolish you are to expect anything else uh, from others. Here am I, useful to everybody. I am also useful to everybody, laying eggs for the rich and poor. Yet I know after some time, when I, now the egg hen is saying that I am very useful to everybody. I am giving eggs for rich and poor both. I'll end up in a cooking pot as someone's eat tasty dinner, and my end is with the someone's tasty dinner. I'm used to in a cooking pot to serve as a chicken." Hearing this, the villager sat down holding his head. Now, listening after this, hearing this, the villager is very sad. He is holding his head when he heard a jackal call out. After that, jackal is also passing by the same road. "Why, what's the matter, villager?" Now, the jackal is very smart. He is asking, "What happened, villager? You look as unhappy as a fish out of water, and you look as a very unhappy as a fish out of water. Come on, you can tell me everything. He's saying that, come on and tell me everything. I am a very patient listener. Now the jackal is saying, in the picture you are also seeing, he is saying that, tell me everything. The villager told him all that had occurred. Now the villager is told that all had done by him the mistake. How very confusing, said the jackal. Now jackal is saying again that it is very confusing. Please tell me again. Would you mind telling me over again? Would you tell me again what happened with you? For everything has got so mixed up. What you are saying, I am not listening properly, so tell me again. Jackal is saying. The villager told it all over again. Now the villager again started his story and tell him all the story, but the jackal shook his head in a large sort of the way and still could not understand. After that, the jackal shook his head in a lost sort of way. Again he is saying that I am could not understand that what you have said. So it is in half and part of the chapter, an edited extract from the Tiger, the Brahman and the Jackal by Flora Annie Steele. This story is written by Flora Annie Steele. So listen it carefully. This is your homework to listen it. Okay beta, thank you.